कुछ बातों का मतलब, कुछ मतलब की बातें। क्या मतलब?
नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू दिस edition of Saturday SME Solution brought to you by क्या मतलब. First of all, as an MSME, you must be registered. Earlier it was the Udyog Aadhaar registration. Now it is the Udyam portal. So every MSME, to avail of any benefit that MSMEs get, must be registered on the Udyam portal. So if you haven't, please go and register. This is done online, of course. Today we are going to talk about the various challenges that MSMEs have to face on a day-to-day basis to run their businesses. And I'm going to list them into 6 broad categories. The first and most important is finance. Access to finance, affordable and easy access to finance. The second is availability of skilled manpower. In fact, every business requires a specific type of skill, and therefore access to affordable skilled manpower is also key for an MSME. The third is how do we design our business model to be robust and pandemic proof, for example, to be a model which can sustain all the ups and downs that happen in our economic surroundings. The fourth is finding access and customers. That means every MSME struggles to sell its products to maybe national or global markets. So how do we reach out to these customers or potential buyers of our products? That is another point. The fifth point is access to technology and attaining world-class standards. If we have to compete with the rest of the world, we have to have the world-class product and service standards to follow, and therefore we need world-class technology. So how do we access all of this? And finally, the sixth thing that every MSME is always facing as a challenge is complying with various statutory related compliance. That means आप एक बिजनेस चला रहे हैं, आपको जीएसटी का भी ध्यान रखना है, इनकम टैक्स का भी ध्यान रखना है, ईएसआई प्रोविडेंट फंड का भी ध्यान रखना है, कंपनी लॉ से जुड़ी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है. इतनी सारी चीज़ें और लॉज हैं कि आप अपना समय और रिसोर्सेज इसी में बिता देते हैं. सो हाउ यू बिकम एफिशिएंट इज़ टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दीज चैलेंजेस. In the next episode, we will take each of these challenges one by one.